So a couple months ago when I reviewed HBO Max, thought it was an awesome streaming service, guys. Has those blockbuster movies, has a lot of series, the interface looks good, and the only thing it was missing is support for your Amazon devices as well as your Roku device. Now, while Roku is still not supported, HBO did announce that their application is now available directly from your Amazon App Store. So we're gonna install the application here in a little bit, but what's the long story behind the wait? So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell. Make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. Warner Brothers streaming service HBO Max is finally coming on Amazon's Fire TV, and this is almost a half year after the launch. So the service, which combines HBO content and expanded selection from Warner Brothers library and a slate of originals, debut without the two largest streaming platforms in the US. Of course, that's Amazon Fire TV and Roku. As part of the new deal, existing HBO subscribers on Amazon will be able to use the HBO Max app at no additional cost, along with anyone else that already has HBO Max. The delay to get HBO Max on the Fire TV was never a technical issue, guys. They can find a way to develop an application, that way they can get it on the device. It always was negotiations of content and how to move forward with this content. So Amazon wanted to be able to provide access to HBO Max through its existing Prime Video channel platform by making access to expanded catalog available to existing HBO subscribers. So this was complicated by the fact that HBO did not exactly have HBO Max as a brand new service, but rather updating HBO Now app to become HBO Max. This seemingly left the door open for similar upgrades to existing HBO subscribers, Amazon believed. So with long story short, the deal got done. The companies announced this morning that HBO Max would begin the rollout to Amazon Fire TV streaming devices, Fire TV smart TVs, and Fire TV tablets on Tuesday, November 17th. So this will expand HBO Max's potential reach to tens of millions of Amazon device customers, Warner Brothers said. So this is a huge deal in my opinion. The only last thing they have to do is essentially get HBO Max on Roku device. Roku itself is the largest platform in the US, and with no HBO Max, they're potentially alienating a lot of customers. So as far as the application, very easy to install. Go to your search, and you can either use the voice function or you can go ahead and just search it. So let's use the voice function. HBO Max. So you can see HBO apps and subscription, but HBO Max is right there, guys. Click on it. Go ahead and install. Download. Once you get to this page, sign into your account and you should be good to go. So a lot of questions. I did a side-by-side comparison. I'll go ahead and link that video as well. It was a direct comparison between HBO Max and Netflix, and I really want to hear your opinion on this one. I'll go ahead and link the video. Watch that video, watch the comparison, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.